want to see me as their dying wish. Hindi ganon. May mga nagka-cancer na yun ang wish nila na makita ako.
So really make time.
So binisita ko sila pero it's so heartbreaking kasi like yung may isang babae na talagang hindi na nakakasalita, nakahiga na lang siya. Tapos nung hinawakan ko siya, umiyak. Hindi na siya makasalita. Umiyak siya sa tuwa. So tayo parang nakakaiyak din para sa akin. So it's also hard for me to. Tapos meron din iba na gano'n, pinuntahan ko rin. And then I found out after a year, namatay din. Puro cancer victims din. So ang hirap. That's why I wanted to go into government also to address all these things like healthcare and all that. Pero since hindi nabigay sa atin, we'll do it in some other way.
Bakit in Cebu?
I was born and raised in Cebu. I still have a condo there. I still go home kasi my brother is still there.
How many kids do you have?
Two. A daughter and a son.
Since, di ba, significant sa career mo yun, important milestone yung Be Careful. Tapos nag-work ka na ngayon naman ulit with Jody. May abot ka na yun. Abot ka na yun. Paano naman yung reunion nyo dito with sa Andre?
Paano yun?
What was that like, yung reunion mo with Jody and Andre?
I think
May awkwardness ba in the beginning? Did you do it right away? Nabalik agad yung
wala kasi kami ni Jody, we've been friends ever since Be Careful. So hindi naman na-break yung friendship namin. Even though we're not together, you know, we still communicate, like birthday niya or whatever. When she does something, I always congratulate her. She does the same thing. So in talaga, friends talaga kami, hindi yung showbiz friends. We're friends really outside of showbiz, yeah. So walang ilangan or whatever, hindi kami uncomfortable when we see each other. Parang naglolokohan lang kami.
Nakakita ka sa dynamics, working dynamics this time around because...
Yeah, siguro kasi because this project is medyo mas dramatic. So at least medyo tayo now, we have the experience now. Mas nakakasabay na tayo. So that's siguro parang timing lang din na nakuha namin ng project at the right time. Because this yung Unbreak My Heart tackles a very deep that's psychological, mental problem.
Richard, tama na yung Unbreak is the first series na pula ng ABS and GMA.
Yes.
Ikaw personally, are there any ABS events or that you'd like to work with in the future?
Marami pa akong hindi nakatrabaho sa kanila, especially the young ones. So, of course, why not? Sila Catherine Bernardo, di ba? Sila sila Daniel, si Enrique Hills, the rest of the guys.
So it's easier now na kasi parang wala namang network war eh. So you can work with anyone you want to.
At saka may collab na kasi ongoing na yung collabs with GMA and ABS, which is good for everyone, diba? Especially for the actors at ABS.
You're seen in the afternoon sa prime time. How do you squeeze in yung business pa? Parang what's a day like?
Actually, Wednesday lang off ko. Pero when I was shooting for both, wala akong off during the whole week. So, I was taping for 5 days a week. No, weekends lang ang off ko. Pero sarado naman ang mga offices and all that. So, Wednesday is the only time that I get to go to the office. Kasi I handle my furniture business also. So, yun, time management na lang. Minsan, while I'm sa taping, doon ako nagmo-monitor kung ano nangyayari sa office.
Your wife is also involved?
No, she's handling her own kasi we have a TESDA training center. have yung mga, we offer mga computer subjects to those who need. Yeah.
Apart from Wang Food, do you have any other businesses with Direct?
Wala.
So, Wang Food
puro
lang.
sa ano lang, restaurant lang.
Alright.
Did you ever consider working with him in a project?
We've talked about it, pero
Hindi pa siya nagmamaterialize.
hindi pa.
Action.
Sinong busy? Ikaw o siya?
Busy rin siya eh. Pareho. Kasi,
Work kaya yun sa palagay?
siguro one of these days kasi we've been talking to the same people. We've been going around the same circles now. So baka may
Is he
project na
living
kunin siya.
also? Is he living
No.
in Japan?
Yeah, he is. They have a shoot
Yeah,
there.
they have a show.